Hello everyone, I'm JJ and today I'm gonna share with you guys about what I like of my Segway-Ninebot ES2. First and foremost, the ES2 is UL2272 Certified. It is also LTA approved as it meets all the requirements set by LTA. It is also very easy to fold, so I can bring it onto the bus and MRT quickly. The ES2 also takes about 3.5 hours to fully charge up, so I can get back to my scooter in no time. It has 3 speed modes: speed limit, standard and sport. I will ride on standard mode because I want to go fast but cannot too fast lah. The ES2 is a very strong and sturdy e-scooter even though it doesn't look like it. It can take up to a maximum weight of 100 kg. The solid tires on my ES2 are hardy. I've driven over a few sharp objects but it didn't puncture them. So the ES2 is a good e-scooter to choose if you want to ride around Singapore or to do short commutes throughout the day.